Hi guys, we're here to install my new aftermarket exhaust that I bought from Amazon. And here I'm going to install it. It's a nice blue, burnt blue SC Pro CW SPK exhaust technology. And it says for racing use only. Okay, so I'm start ripping it up, taking up the stock exhaust, and here are the some components that comes with it. It's all burn blue. Looks good, very nice. Okay, so the tools that we need are adjustable wrench for the sensor here underneath. So yeah, it's listen now. I'm gonna loosen it by my hand now. There you go. So I got it popped out, and one bolt there. So it's size 12, and then 6 bolts total from the header's exhaust, 2 each, and the last bolt is that one, another 12. So when you take everything those bolts, it's all almost done. So I'll start taking it up and then we'll install the new one. And I'm removing the headers first. One bolt down. Another bolt out. Two more left, 3 more left. I got all the bolts out, so there we go. A little bit tight. There. It's a heavy piece of metal. Ooh. I lost almost 5 pounds on this bike, so I'm putting the lighter exhaust and the louder. Okay, so I'm gonna put the first one. So I got the headers installed. So install from here. This piece goes like this, and then install the sensor. I got everything installed. And let's fire it up. Let's hear how it sounds. Craps, loud.